Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the remaining parameters related to the boost converter. Okay, so let us discuss the average diode current. Average diode current. Okay, average value of the diode current. Okay, so it is a ID average. It is a ID average. Okay, so how to find the diode current, right? If you check when switch is in the on state, yes, the current will be flowing through the switch, yes, supply inductor switch. At the same time, this capacitor is discharging in this way. Okay, so here diode will be in the off state. Okay, so what is the current flowing through the diode when switch is in the on state? It will be 0. Okay, so from t is equal to 0 to t on, id is equal to 0, right? Id is equal to 0. So we can draw the waveform for id. It is from t is equal to 0 to t on, it is a 0, right? After t on, what will happen when switch is in the off state? At that time, yes, the inductor is releasing the energy through the diode. Okay, so whatever the inductor current is there, right, the same current will flow through the diode. Okay, so here we can say that yes, approximately if we draw the waveform, yes, suppose this is the IL average we are having. Okay, so this magnitude is of IL average. So this is from t on to t. Okay, and after again t to t plus t on, it is a 0, and after that again the same repeats. Okay, so now for this waveform, can we find the average value? Yes, it is a 1 by t integration from t on to t. During this interval, what is the id? It is a IL average into dt. Okay, so we can write it as a IL average by t into, it is a t minus t on, t minus 1. Okay, so if you check here, we can write it as, yes, it is equal to IL average into t minus t on divided by t. Okay, so this can be written as 1 minus d into IL average. Okay, what is IL average? IL average we are having, it is I0 upon 1 minus d. Yes, it is equal to I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, I0 upon 1 minus d. So we can write it as 1 minus d into I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, I0 upon 1 minus d, right? So here we can write it as ID average is equal to what? It is a I0 average. Okay, it is equal to I0 average. Is clear? Or you can write it is a 1 minus d into IL average. Okay, both are the valid expressions. ID average is equal to 1 minus d into IL average, or it is a I0 average, right? So this is what ID average we are having. Okay, ID average. Next, so the next point is the ripple in capacitor voltage or the output voltage. Ripple in capacitor voltage, ripple in capacitor voltage, or we can say output voltage, because capacitor is connected across the load, right? So it is either load voltage we can say, or we can say it as a output voltage also. Okay, so that is a delta Vc, which is equal to what? Delta V0, again which is equal to delta Q divided by C, right? Charge stored, or the, right, divided by capacitor, right? So what is the charge stored? If you check here, IC waveform, it is having a magnitude of I0, right? During this, it is having a magnitude of I0, and as you know, charge is nothing but the current into time. Okay, so what is this time? This time is t on, right? This time is t on. Okay, so can we write it as I0 into t on? Yes, it is a I0 into t on. We can write it as a I0 into t on divided by C. Okay, again t on can be replaced with d into t. Okay, so it is equal to I0 into dt, right, divided by C, is nothing but delta Vc or delta V0. Okay, so ripple in output voltage, or the ripple in load voltage, or the ripple in capacitor voltage. Okay, next let us discuss the critical value of inductor. Critical inductor, right? Critical value of inductor, right? So it is a L critical. L critical we need to find. Okay, so if you check critical value means what, how to find? Yes, it is the, yes, value of C, right, at which the current flowing through the inductor is just continuous. Just continuous means what? It is increasing from 0, it reaches the maximum, and again it reaches the 0 value, right? It reaches the 0 value at this instant. Are you getting the point? It reaches the 0 value at this instant. Okay, so here if you check our IL, can we draw the waveform for the IL during the critical inductor? Yes, if L is equal to L critical, then IL will be like this. This is a time, right? IL 0 to T on and T on to T. Okay, 0 to T on, it increases, right? It reaches the peak value. Okay, it increases, reaches the peak value. After that it decreases, again it go on increasing. Okay, so this is like a just continuous. Okay, so IL decreases to 0, and again next we are having the, at the same instant we are having the on time, next on time. Okay, so this is nothing but Imax. Okay, so I mean is nothing but 0. Okay, so here can we write delta IL, delta IL. Okay, this is the delta IL, right, is equal to Imax by 2, right? Delta IL is equal to Imax by 2, or it is a delta IL is equal to 2 times IL average, right? Where will be the IL average? Yes, IL average will be like this. This is what we will be having the IL average. Are you getting the point? This is nothing but the IL average. Okay, so here we can write IL average I am writing is equal to what? Delta IL divided by 2. 50% of this, right? Actually IL average will be somewhat at this position. Okay, so here delta IL by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but the IL average we will be having. Okay, so now if IL average is delta IL by 2, okay, what is IL average? It is a I0 upon 1 minus D, I0 upon 1 minus D. Okay, which is equal to delta IL, we know, right? It is a VDC into dt by L. Okay, so it is a VDC into dt divided by L, right? So here 2 we are having, so it is a 2 into L, right? VDC into dt divided by 2L we can write. Okay, are you getting the point? Okay, so next we can write it as a dt. Okay, next we can write it as a, what is I0? I0 is V0 by R, V0 by R into 1 minus D. This is for resistive load. Okay, is equal to VDC into dt, okay, divided by 2L divided by, are you getting the point? Okay, so next from this we can write, what is a V0? This is a boost converter, right? So V0 is nothing but VDC upon 1 minus D. So it is a VDC upon 1 minus D. Okay, so it is a R into 1 minus D square. Are you getting the point? I have replaced the V0 with VDC upon 1 minus D. Okay, so is equal to VDC into dt divided by 2L. Okay, so here VDC and VDC will get cancelled out. Okay, so from this we can find either R critical or L critical. Okay, so you can write therefore R critical, critical value of inductor, sorry, resistor is equal to what? It is a 2L upon D into 1 minus D bracket square. Okay, into T. This is the R critical. Similarly we can find for L critical also, means the expression for L in terms of R, right? That is will be your L critical, right? Also we can write L critical, L critical is equal to, yes, it is equal to, L critical is equal to, we can write it as a dt upon, yes, dt upon 2, right, into R into 1 minus D bracket square. Okay, so dt into R, right, dt into R into 1 minus D bracket square, right? Here it is we are having divided by 2. Okay, so this is the divided by 2 we are having. So further we can write L critical is equal to, yes, this can be written as RT, right? RT I am taking into D into 1 minus D, D into 1 minus D bracket square. Okay, D into 1 minus D bracket square divided by 2. This is the L critical we are having. L critical we are having. Are you getting the point? Okay. So this is the expression for critical value of the inductance. Okay. Next, similarly, can you find the C critical? Yes. What is the C critical? If you check C critical, critical capacitance, critical capacitor or capacitance we can say, right? So here during the critical value of capacitor, what is the delta Vc or delta V0 is equal to, sorry, V0 average, I'm sorry, it should be the V0 average or the V0, okay, is equal to delta V0 by 2, okay, because just like an inductor, capacitor go on charging, go on discharging, okay. So it is like Vc waveform or V0 waveform, it will be like this, okay. So if you check during 0 to T on, yes, capacitor discharges, right? So it is like the waveform will be like this, and T on to capital T, it charges. So again, it's same, okay. So after T, again it go on decreasing, and again it reaches the zero value. Once it reaches the zero value, again it will be moves to the positive value, okay. So it is like a just critical, okay. So delta V0 by 2. So here, what is V0? It is the I0 average into R, okay, is equal to what? What is the delta V0? It is the I0 average into dt upon C, that is it upon 2C, right? Are you getting the point? Okay. So I0 average will get cancelled, okay. So this can be written as, therefore C critical, C critical is equal to, yes, we can write it as a C critical is equal to dt upon 2R, okay. This is the expression for critical value of the capacitor, okay. So this is about the circuit analysis and expressions of parameters related to the boost converter. In the next video, we are going to discuss the numericals based on boost converter. Thank you.